front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings and choose sound and vibration. Now you need to tap on vibrate, and this way mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. But you can also choose sound and click on the switcher next to vibratory ringing. This way you can enable all disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Now scroll down and choose call vibration pattern. Select one of those patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you, like TikTok, and going back. But you can also select notification vibration pattern, select one of those for your notifications, and go back as well. Now choose vibration intensity and adjust intensity of that vibrations by swiping left or right. Go back, choose system sound vibration control, and now after scrolling down, you can click on all of those features next to all of those features to enable all disable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!